Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I received a package from Prime, Amazon, but it was delivered to me by Kayla from Imethod Beauty. That's right, they have a new product launch. And she was gracious enough to send this over to me free for review for you all to find out about it and for me to find out about it and to give it a little try. And it is their Art Studio double-ended ink pen, and this is Imethod microblading eyebrow pencil, 2-in-1 dual-ended eyebrow pen with 3-prong micro fork tip applicator and precise application. Doesn't that sound great? And she has not only sent this over to me free for review, she has also sent along a discount code where if you're interested in this product, you can save 10%. And I can also tell you this is found on Amazon. I will have a link down in my description, and it can be shipped by Prime. So if you have Prime, then you would be also eligible for free shipping. And currently it is running $14.97. So you could save an additional 10% with the code MISSJACKIE. And I will have all that information down in my description. We are going to talk about this product and we're going to do a little demo today too, so we can see how it works. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the package. And it does say the 2-in-1 double-ended ink pen. It also has easy instructions on the box, easy to apply it says. So we will find out about that. But before that, I want to tell you a little bit about it. It's an innovative 2-in-1 double-ended eyebrow pencil for women. It has a precise microfine brush tip applicator to draw hair strokes. The other end has a 3-prong micro fork tip eyebrow applicator to fill the gaps and blend the color into the brow. You will love the eyebrow pencil for its easy and quick application in busy mornings. Just like your real eyebrows, if you're struggling with perfecting your brows, no mess, no skills are required with this friendly, even to beginners. Our double-ended waterproof eyebrow pencil brush allows you to easily draw shape and define brows. Super easy to achieve natural-looking, flawless eyebrows resembling 3D natural, real hair in seconds. Wow, that is really great. It's also a liquid eyebrow pencil that's long-lasting formula and delivers 24-hour wear that is smudge-proof, transferable proof, waterproof, sweat-proof. No more worry about smudging or running, swimming, or hot summers. This microblading waterproof eyebrow pen can be easily removed with eye makeup remover, and that's good to know too. And it says it's compact and functional for perfectly defined brows that last from sunrise to moonlight, but also for filling the hairless areas of your eyes. Get this brow pencil and you are always ready for perfect brows wherever you go. And the natural eyebrow pencil is a perfect gift for your family, friends, or girlfriends. Imethod Beauty Eyebrow Pen is available in a range of colors to satisfy your needs. Important note, please shake the eyebrow pencil a few times before use. When not in use, always keep the cap tight. Make sure you hear the click when you close it. Always store the pen flat. Oh, that's good to know, because I don't know that I would think to do that. So it's always good to read a little information and find out more about it. But we are going to open this up. I'm not sure what color that we have here. It just has a number on there. We're in color 09. And let me go on their site and see if I can find out what color 09 is. Well, it only says black, brown, brown, black, light brown, and dark brown. So let's see what we might have here. I'm not sure, so I'm going to put a little bit here. And it said to shake it up. And it looks like I may have brown from the way that's coming out. And I'm going to shake this up some more. And then we're going to get started on this. And I'm going to do this so we can see how it works. Now that's the color that I'm putting on right now, and I'm going to fill in there. And then it's got the microblade end on the other side, and I'm going to see how this works. It feels wet. And I do have me can y'all see where it's filling in there? This side feels wet too, so I don't know. I'm a little bit confused on that part. I want to see if I can fill in some more here. Let's try the other side. I can definitely see that it's on. Now this side, this time I'm starting with the 3-prong side, and I'm going to see how that does, because I think what happened is I didn't realize this was wet on this end. I think I was thinking it was more like a brush, but it's not. It actually has the color in it too. As you can see, I've got a much more natural look on this side. Wow, just that one change out made all the difference. This is really easy just to brush stroke it. Wow. All right, well, I'm gonna see if I can't get some of this off on the other side. It says it's waterproof, so I may not be able to correct it, but I did bring a little bit of makeup remover with me today. So let's see if we can get it cleaned up. Maybe I should use it with a Q-tip. Okay, got that cleaned up a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can't correct that side, because I started off with the other side. So this is kind of like a liner and a fill-in, and then this is your brush stroke on this end, which, can you see that? And it does have the color in there, so let's try this on this side and see if we can't correct it. Oh yeah. Now my eyebrows are different on each side, but this seems to be working just fine. This side seems to be a little thicker, and maybe I can draw it in on this side. But I think it filled in okay on both sides. What do y'all think? I've just got it, it's thicker on this side right through here than it is over here. And I don't know if I can fill that in with this. Let me see. There, I think I'm getting it matched up. And I did make a little few boo-boos here with this, but it was my first time. So I think overall it's pretty good. Now all I really need is a spoolie, and I didn't bring one in here. But I know it did darken my eyebrows, and it did make them look thicker on the ends. From just looking in the mirror and then looking back at you guys, I think it did pretty good. What do you think? And that was my first application. So it's 2 in 1, and this one you can brush stroke them on, which it worked out really great. And then on this side, you can define or maybe fill in a little more specific where you might need to fill in. And it's ink It's waterproof and it's great, and it's only $14.97 if you decided to get this. Katie, this is a nifty little tool. And I say overall it did well, and you all could see that when I first did it, I had a little bit of not knowing what I was doing because it's the new one, and I didn't actually read the instructions. I just went off my own way of doing it, but it does say how to use the precise brush tip applicator. Use the precise brow color flat tip to draw hair-like strokes. And then it says the 3-prong brow applicator. Apply the 3-prong brow applicator to fill in and blend color into brows. And it did that very well, I'll have to say. And naturally define hair-like stroke brows that stay all day. And that is what this did. And then the liner would be to fill in and or to define your line and then go through the other end with the brush strokes. So, okay, I think it did well. You guys let me know what you think. And it was a new product for them, and I think it's an easy peasy one, just like they said. And overall, I like my outcome. So you let me know what you think. And that's all I have today for the Imethod Microblading Eyebrow Pencil Dual-Ended Eyebrow Pen with 3-prong micro fork tip applicator with precision application. And again, it's $14.97. I will have the link down in my description. I want to thank Kayla for sending this over to me free for review. And I want to thank you all for being here and seeing the application and the new product by Imethod. As for today and Imethod, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.